Welcome back to the show. Today we are diving into an industry that is absolutely exploding right now. I'm talking about the world of med spas. Sam, I was looking at some stats this morning. The global medical spa market is projected to cross 20 or $30 billion in the next few years? It's wild.
It is massive, Alex. But here's the thing. Because the money is there, the competition is getting fierce. It's not enough to just be a great injector or have the newest laser anymore. If your digital presence is a ghost town, your treatment rooms will be too. We're looking at the Digital Cauldron approach today, basically a guide on how to actually win in this hyper-competitive space.
I love that, the Digital Cauldron. It sounds like a secret potion for success. So if I'm a med spa owner and I'm sitting there thinking, I've got a website, I post on Instagram occasionally, why am I not booked out months in advance? Where do we even start? What's the biggest missing link?
The biggest missing link is usually a lack of a cohesive ecosystem. Most owners do random acts of marketing. They try a little SEO, maybe run a Facebook ad for a week, and then quit when it doesn't instantly 10x their revenue. You have to start with a foundation, which is local SEO. If someone searches Botox near me or cool sculpting in city name, and you aren't in that top 3 map pack, you're effectively invisible.
Wait, let's stop right there. The map pack. I see that all the time. There's 3 businesses that show up under the map on Google. Is that just about having a lot of reviews, or is there more to the voodoo of local SEO?
Reviews are huge. Quality, quantity, and recency. But it's deeper. You need what we call NAP consistency. Name, address, and phone number must be identical across every single directory on the internet. If one site says Suite 101 and another says Stay 101, Google gets confused, and a confused Google won't rank you. You also need local citations and, crucially, localized content on your site that proves to Google you are an authority in your specific geographic area.
Okay, so SEO is the long game. It's the slow cooker. But what if I need clients today? I just bought a $150,000 laser and I need to start paying it off. That's where paid ads come in, right?
Exactly. Paid ads are your faucet. You turn them on and the leads flow. But for med spas, it's a minefield because of regulations. Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, is very picky about before and after photos. If you show too much skin or make unrealistic claims, they'll ban your ad account faster than you can say dermal filler.
I've heard horror stories about that. So how do you actually run a successful ad campaign without getting the ban hammer? Do you just show a picture of a smiling person holding a cucumber over their eyes?
No, that won't convert. The secret is focusing on the educational and lifestyle angle. Show the experience. Use video of the staff, show the luxury of the office, and use safe before and afters that comply with their policies, meaning no zoomed-in needles or graphic images. More importantly, don't just send them to your homepage. You need a dedicated landing page designed to capture a lead, offering a specific new patient special or a free consultation.
Right, because if I click an ad for lip filler and I land on a generic homepage that talks about everything from chemical peels to laser hair removal, I'm going to get overwhelmed and bounce. I want what I clicked for.
Precisely. Relevance is everything. Now let's talk about the Cauldron's most potent ingredient, retargeting. Think about it. How many times have you looked at a service, gotten a phone call, and closed the tab? Most people don't buy the first time they see you.
Oh, I'm the king of that. I'll have 50 tabs open and forget why I was even looking. So retargeting is those ads that follow me around?
Exactly. It's staying top of mind. If they visited your hydrofacial page, you show them a video testimonial of a client talking about how their skin glowed for a week after a hydrofacial. It builds trust. In the med spa world, trust is the primary currency. You're dealing with people's faces and bodies. They need to feel safe.
That makes so much sense. Trust leads to the booking. But what about social media? I see some med spas doing TikTok dances and others being very clinical. What's the Digital Cauldron verdict on the right social strategy?
Social media for med spas should be infotainment. You need to educate them on the science because people are scared of looking overdone, but you have to do it in an engaging way. Show the behind the scenes, introduce the injectors, let people see their personalities. When a patient walks through the door, they should feel like they already know the person holding the needle. That eliminates the stranger danger and increases your booking rate significantly.
I love that. It's about humanizing the brand. But okay, let's say I've got the SEO, I've got the ads, and my Instagram is fire. The leads are coming in, but my front desk is overwhelmed or they're just not calling people back. Does the marketing just end there?
This is where most businesses fail. They spend thousands on marketing, but have a leaky bucket. If a lead comes in at 8 p.m. on a Tuesday and nobody follows up until Thursday morning, that lead is dead. You need automated lead nurturing. SMS is king here. A quick text saying, "Hey, saw you're interested in our Botox special. Would you like to hop on a quick call or book your consult online?" has a 90% open rate compared to email.
90%? That's insane. So basically, the Digital Cauldron approach isn't just about getting the click. It's about holding the lead's hand all the way until they're sitting in the treatment chair.
Exactly. And even after they leave, the fortune is in the follow-up. Email marketing for existing patients to tell them about monthly specials or maintenance reminders. If someone gets filler, they need it again in 6 to 9 months. If you aren't emailing them at the 5-month mark, they might go to the new place down the street.
It's all about that lifetime value. It's cheaper to keep a patient than to find a new one. So to wrap this up for our listeners who are feeling a bit overwhelmed, what are the first 3 steps they should take tomorrow morning?
Step 1. Audit your Google business profile. Upload 10 new high-quality photos and reply to every single review, even the old ones. Step 2. Look at your website on your phone. If it takes more than 3 seconds to load, or if the Book Now button is hard to find, fix it immediately. Step 3. Start a simple email list. Even if it's just a monthly newsletter with a skin tip of the month and a special offer, just start building that direct line to your audience.
Brilliant. Simple, actionable, and it actually moves the needle. Sam, thanks for dropping the knowledge on the Digital Cauldron member today. For everyone listening, if you want the full breakdown and the links we mentioned, check out the show notes. Thanks for having me, Alex. Remember, in this industry, consistency beats intensity. Don't just do a big push once. Build a system that works while you sleep. Love that. Consistency is key. We'll see you all in the next episode. Stay glowing.